Welcome back this afternoon. Angie Horkman for the Wisconsin Beef Council is here with another tasty February recipe, and we're making pasta.
We are. We're going to make a heart-healthy recipe. Since
Love that.
February is Heart Month. So I've got, and it's really nice, 30-minute, kind of one skillet meal. It kind of checks off a lot of boxes.
Making it easy for families.
6 ingredients, right? And you're going to start with a pound of lean ground beef. So I bought a 96% lean because that's what my supermarket had. But any percentage leaner than 93% qualifies, like as USDA lean, and then qualifies into a recipe that could get the American Heart Association check mark.
There you go.
Yeah.
Simple ingredients, too.
Oh, so simple. So I literally browned up that pound of ground beef. Takes about 8 to 10 minutes. I put in a can of beef broth. I put in a can of low sodium or no salt added diced tomatoes. And then pasta. Your pasta cooks right in here. It only calls for a cup of, I used like a rotini pasta, because then you simmer this about 15 minutes till your pasta's done. And then it calls for 1 zucchini and 1 yellow squash. My supermarket didn't have yellow squash, so I threw in 2 small zucchinis.
There you go.
That kind of cooks in here. And then some Italian seasoning. A teaspoon and a half of Italian seasoning, and literally that's it. But it's so nice. It's kind of a nice meal prep recipe, too, if you wanted to make it.
Make it for the week.
Divide it up into 4 servings.
Yes, yeah.
It'd be a perfect lunch.
We like simple, especially in these busy times.
30 minutes. So, yeah. Beeftips.com, you'll find this recipe, and this month on the website under As Seen on TV, I've got all of our great links to our nutrition page, our whole American Heart Association certified recipe collection.
Tilt that up for the camera here.
Let's top with some Parmesan, and let's add some fresh basil too. I think that would taste good on this one.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Tasty.
So 30 minutes, beef, or ground beef and pasta skillet Primavera.
Also kind of nice for winter yet, right?
Definitely. I love pasta this time of year.
I know, and this one's healthy.
This one's healthy.
Can't beat it. All right, Angie Horkman, as always, thank you.
You're welcome.